Next.js aims to generate as many static files as possible at build time, such as HTML files. But if a page relies on dynamic functions like cookies or headers, static assets can't be generated. To address this, instead of making our content dependent on dynamic functions, we can display alternative content such as loading indicators. This allows Next.js to generate static files that can be deployed to a CDN. With partial pre-rendering, when a user requests a page, the already generated static file are served immediately. While keeping the HTTP connection open, the server streams the dynamic content to the user as it is generated. To use partial pre-rendering, first, install the latest canary version of the Next.js. Second, enable the PPR flag in the experimental section of the Next.js config file. And lastly, for any page you want to partially pre-render, export the constant named experimental_PPR, set to true. Wrap components that rely on dynamic functions with a React Suspense component, providing a fallback. This setup ensures that when the project is built, static files are created and stored in .next directory.